Good afternoon, this is Trish from Networks Computer Solutions here again, and we're here with another look at an app from Google. Well, today we'll be looking at Google Slides. Now, if you haven't used Slides before, it is a free alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint. So today what we'll be looking at, try and get it done in under 10 minutes, is we'll be looking at how you can access slides from your Drive, and also how you can make a basic slide as well as present it. So I'm going to jump over to my Drive. You can either access Google Slides from the little grid of 9 dots over here. Click on that and then come down to where it says Slides. Or while you're in Drive, you can also click on New and go to Google Slides that way. So Google Slides, if you've used a presentation package before like Microsoft PowerPoint, then this will look very familiar to you. So we can add a title in here and also any subtitle. Okay, you can also choose a different design from our gallery over here on the right hand side for themes. I might just choose a dark theme for now. Okay, now if we want to add another slide, there's a little plus sign up here in the top. Click on that to add a slide, and then you've got your standard layout. You can change your layout under slide and then apply layout, and you've got some different options in under here, whether you want to do a section header, title and body title and 2 columns. I'll try that one, and then we can add a title up the top. Slideshow over here, and then over on this other side over here I might add an image. So if I go up to, you can either use the insert image button or use this over here, insert image, and we'll search from the web and we'll see what we can find. Something to do with coffee. Double click on that and it should appear. So the same with normal images, as you can see it's got this bounding box around it and there's little dots in the corners and in the midsection. So what I can do, I can grab hold of that with my left mouse and I can drag it down to resize. Okay, so let's try adding another slide. And as you can see, once you've added a slide, it keeps to the same layout. So let's try a different layout and see what that looks like. So slide, apply layout, and we'll go for a big number. Percent. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so the next thing you might want to do is to add some animation or transitions. So I'll go back to the slide with our coffee cup and I'm going to select the picture, and then under, I think it's under insert, and then I'm going to come down to animation. And you notice that will change my selection panel on the right hand side. The option in here is to fade in on click, which is not what I want. Down here underneath I'm going to change it from fade in to fly in from right. I'll fly in from right, and instead of on click I want to go with previous so that it slides in, slide opens. So let's have a look at how that would work, like that. Okay, the next thing I want to look at is the transition. So if I come back to the first slide, and we're going to go transition, which is here under slide, come down to transition, Now it's got none set, so I'm going to go dissolve. And there's an option here to apply to all slides, so we'll click that. Now this has only got 3 slides in it, so I'm just going to check what it looks like as a presentation. So over here on the right hand side there's a present button, so I'm just going to click on that and we'll open up a new tab, and then you can just left click and work your way through the presentation till you get to the end of the slideshow. Okay, so PowerPoints can be really easy to use. In our next presentation, we might have a look at how you can actually do this. Alright, so we might leave it there for today, and we'll be back next week with another look at Google Slides in under 2 minutes. Thanks, bye.